Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video is gonna show you why your iPhone X is unavailable and how to unlock an unavailable iPhone X even when you forgot the passcode. At the end of this video, I'll explain some frequently asked questions about iPhone X iPhone unavailable message from users. So, please watch this video till the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and so on to help others in need. Now, let's start. When you're facing iPhone X iPhone unavailable problem, one common scenario is that you or someone else unlocked the iPhone multiple times with the wrong password because the right one is forgotten or unknown. As the result, your iPhone X says iPhone unavailable message in the middle of an empty black screen. There are also users claiming that they're stuck on iPhone X unavailable lock screen after update the iOS and being asked for the passcode. Besides, your device could become unavailable after screen replacement. So, the reasons why your iPhone X is locked out and saying iPhone unavailable could be attributed to 3 factors: forgotten lock screen passcode, update failure, bad display replacement. Now, you know the reasons. Next, how to fix iPhone unavailable lock screen on iPhone X. The unavailable message means that your phone is locked out by Apple's security system after the incorrect password has already been entered too many times. Sometimes you see iPhone X showing iPhone unavailable. Try again in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 8 hours. Sometimes there is no timer countdown and restarting the phone did not change anything. Whatever it is, we'll show you 3 iPhone X unavailable bypass solutions. Pay attention. All these fixes will help you get out of unavailable screen by erasing the data and resetting the phone. If you do have a backup, you can restore your phone from the backup file once your passcode has been reset and the iPhone has been returned to factory settings. If you forgot your passcode and you didn't back up your stored data and content in iCloud or computer, you will lose everything. Method 1 is to unlock iPhone X with Erase iPhone option. Apple gives you an easy solution when you see an iPhone unavailable message on iPhone X display after too many wrong attempts. That is the Erase iPhone button. This can be used to unlock the passcode lock right on your iPhone X without a computer. However, this method doesn't work for everyone. Here are a few checks you should do. First, see if you've inserted a SIM card. Second, see if your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Third, see if you still remember Apple ID and password logged into your unavailable iPhone X. If all these checks are yes, follow the steps to open your locked phone without a passcode. First, keep entering the wrong passcode more than 7 times in a row until you see an Erase iPhone button laying on the right bottom of the screen. Depending on different iOS software, you may see iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes or 1 hour. Tap Erase iPhone button. On the next screen, tap Erase iPhone button. Input your Apple ID password on the given place and tap Go on the keyboard. A few seconds later, you will see Apple logo shows up with a progress bar. Your iPhone X would need to be erased to become functional again. When it finishes, you successfully bypass iPhone X unavailable. Swipe up the Hello screen and follow the Setup Assistant to quickly set up your device as new. Now, your unavailable device is unlocked. Method 2 is to open iPhone X with iCloud. If you don't see an Erase iPhone button, we'll show how to fix iPhone X unavailable without computer with iCloud. You'll need to use your Apple ID and password to enter iCloud.com to get out of your unavailable device using Find My option. Here's what you need to do. Go to iCloud.com and log in via your Apple ID and password. If you've enabled the 2-factor authentication for your Apple ID account, enter the verification code that's sent to your another iOS device. In the opening web page, find the green Find iPhone icon and click it. Choose the All Devices option in the top middle of the page. From the drop-down menu, find and click your iPhone X that says iPhone unavailable on the lock screen. When it asks if you want to erase your device, choose the Erase button, then choose Erase button again, and it'll trigger the process of wiping clean the content and bypassing your iPhone X that's stuck on iPhone unavailable lock screen. Wait until your device is unlocked and restart the Hello screen. Method 3 is to bypass unavailable iPhone X with iTunes or Finder. What if you don't remember your iCloud account details? Try iTunes or Finder application. Connect your passcode-locked iPhone X to a Windows or Mac OS computer with a USB cable. Then, run iTunes or Finder software. Next, put your device into recovery mode. quickly press the volume up button, volume down button and then keep holding the side button. Keep pressing the button even when you see the Apple logo icon. When you see a computer icon along with a cord, you've entered recovery mode. Release the button, keep the phone connected, and go back to the computer. Now, iTunes or Finder should quickly detect your iPhone X that's saying iPhone unavailable and ask you whether you want to update or restore the device. Choose Restore, click Restore and Update option, and finish the following on-screen steps. Next, it starts downloading, extracting, and installing the latest iOS firmware to restore and unlock your unavailable iPhone X. 1 to 3 hours is needed, so please wait patiently. Once done, your device will reboot, get out of the iPhone unavailable screen, and unlock the hello screen. Set it up quickly and your phone now is available. Now, here comes ByteFurther's FAQ part. Question 1. My iPhone X has been locked out to an iPhone unavailable screen. How do I reset the phone from this screen when it doesn't give me the option to enter the lock screen password again? The answer is that you can use the computer or iCloud methods mentioned in this video to fix it. Question 2. My display X out and random numbers are written on the pin code. Now, my iPhone X is showing iPhone unavailable. Since I don't have access to my other Apple products except AirPods Pro to do two-factor authentication, is there any other way to bypass the message? The answer is that you can use iTunes or Finder software to unlock your unavailable device without needing two-factor authentication. Question 3. Instead of iPhone X error iPhone unavailable message, I see the security lockout alert. How can I get out of this and open my phone without losing my saved data? The answer is that the steps in this video can also fix security lockout message on iPhone X. Just try the solutions first. If you don't have backups, you can't unlock the unavailable iPhone X without losing data. Question 4. I've inserted a SIM card and connected to Wi-Fi, but the Erase iPhone button on my unavailable iPhone X doesn't work. What should I do? The answer is that you can do a forced restart first. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing the power button until you see an Apple logo. Then, see if the Erase iPhone button works this time. If not, try method 3. That's what to do when your iPhone X says iPhone unavailable. Hope this video can help you bypass the stuck unavailable message lock screen and unlock your iPhone X successfully to make everything back in working order. Be sure to subscribe ByteFurther channel to learn more tech tips about iPhones, and click another video on the screen to keep watching.